Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ASUS ZenFone Zoom, and let me share with you how to set the camera timer on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app. Let's tap on it. And here, whatever. Right now we are in the standard photo mode, so all we have to do is to enter the settings, which are in the left upper corner, and now we have to try to localize the timer, which is right here. The self timer, it should be under the shooting mode actually. So let's tap on self timer, and as you can see we've got 4 different options, so off, 10, 5 and 2 seconds delay. So let me choose 10 seconds delay. As you can see, it will be immediately applied, and right now all we have to do is to tap on the shutter button, and from now on your device will count down from 10, 3 or 5 depending on which option you've chosen, and after that time it will simply take a photo. Okay, perfect. We can always turn it off. Just go back to the settings and just tap on off, and from now on your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.